India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians, sir.
All Indians, sir.
My brothers and sisters.
My brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am proud of
Proud of
its rich
its rich
and varied heritage.
and varied heritage.
I shall always
I shall always
try to be
try to be
worthy of it.
worthy of it.
I shall give my parents,
I shall give my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and all elders
and all others
respect
respect
and treat everyone
and everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
I pledge
I pledge
my devotion
my devotion
in their well-being
in their well-being
and prosperity,
and prosperity.
along life,
Along life,
my happiness.
my happiness.
Jai Hind.
News bulletin is brought to you by Grade-VII Topaz. International news is brought to you by V. Vishal Naidu of Grade-VII Topaz. 25 days of elections. There are 3 Ukrainians banned from Hungary as the threats of urban lives. Thank you.
State news is brought to you by Jeetar from Grade-VII Topaz. State news: a man dies in the Hyderabad because of online betting. Thank you.
Hey everyone, weather report is brought to you by Manoj from Grade-VII Topaz. Weather report: minimum temperature 22 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 32 degrees Celsius, humidity 32 degrees Celsius, precipitation 0%, wind speed 11 km/h. That's the end of news bulletin. Thank you. Have a nice day.
And today's start is brought to you by Mohammed Hilal of Grade-VII Topaz. Start. I have a social life, but I don't discuss it. I repeat it again. I have a social life, but I don't discuss it. Thank you. Have a marvelous Monday.
Today word is brought to you by Navya from Grade-VII Topaz. Word: society. It means a group of people living with together. Friends, please spell after me. Society.
Society.
SOCIETY. Society.
Society.
Thank you.
Today's Zico questions are brought to you by B. Siddhartha of Grade-VII Topaz. Question for Grade-VII. What is the capital of Japan?
Tokyo.
Yes, you pick the correct answer. The answer is Tokyo. Letters are upside them. Question for Grade 8. What is the capital of UK?
London.
Yes, you pick the correct answer. The answer is London. Letters are upside them. Question for Grade 9. If today is Monday, what day it will be after 3 days?
Thursday.
Yes, you pick the correct answer. The answer is Thursday. Letters are upside them. Thank you.
Tongue twister is brought to you by Nancy of Grade-VII Topaz. Respectful rulers rise with rightful respect. I'll repeat it again. Respectful rulers rise with rightful respect. Thank you. Have a nice day.
With the strongest enemies. A very happy morning to everyone. I am Harshavardhini and here is my friend Srilila. We both are here to do conversation between Rani Abaka.
Hey Harshavardhini, have you heard about Rani Abaka?
Yes, she was a brave queen, right, Srilila?
Absolutely, Harshavardhini. She was the queen of Ullal and one of the first women to fight against the Portuguese.
Wow, that's impressive. What made her so special?
She was fearless and never gave up. Even with limited resources, she fought strongly to protect her kingdom.
That shows the real courage. Did she win the battle?
She defeated the Portuguese many times. Her smart strategies surprised them again and again.
That's inspiring. We should learn from her bravery and determination. Isn't optional, Srilila?
Yes, she teaches us to be strong, confident and never fear challenges.
I agree, Rani Abaka is truly a role model for everyone.
Definitely, Harshavardhini. Our story makes us proud of our history. Rani Abaka is a symbol of bravery and true patriotism.
Thank you. Have a great day ahead. Jai Hind.